this is Witch Nikki, and I thought I would do a little video. It's been a couple of days. It's going to be kind of simple, I think. I always say that. Who knows what it is, when it is, and who knows what will happen. I love these flowers. I like how they go from really dark to lighter. And I like the orange ones too. Bright yellow. So here we go. And I don't know the names of these little trees here, but I do know these have some flowers in them too. There's a few up ahead more that are lemon trees that the people did not even seem to know that work there, that they had lemon trees growing on the premises. They didn't know, don't care. Go into work, clock in, and don't care about what's growing right outside their workspace. Yeah, it is what it is, folks. And they're working in an office building. They're not working in an orchard. Last time they knew. I like those trees, flowers. It's just been looking pretty nice through here. But look how cloudy it is today. It was kind of melancholy coming up through here. My ride out this way. I don't know why. Things going on in my head, changes and stuff, I guess. You know, certain animals get to hibernate through their changes, growth. I think even sometimes a mother bear could be well expecting, and when she comes out in spring she could have had babies and not even known it. Sometime during the winter. Sorry, there was a car. I didn't want to show the license plate. I love the gardening along this area here. It makes it worth it for me to be riding along here. To come out through all this, and the flowers are really nice. I just have to be careful when I cross these exits and stuff. I know the flowers have been here for a while, but I just wanted to get another view. Now up ahead, I don't know why, there's a car stopped and it says no stopping anytime. But they have their hazard lights on. So when I go by, I'm going to go very carefully because I don't know. I didn't see anybody in the car when I passed by. I don't know if they've gone up over to the campment, the roadside camp. Yeah, I don't want to get their license plate on it either. Been looking like it was gonna rain, so I was kind of thinking, should I go or not? But it's kind of warmish. It's not real hot, but it's probably like in the 50s or something, because there's like a little breeze and that cools me off. And it's a lot of clouds though. Let me see if I could show him back. I don't like driving too close to the road when I'm doing a film, because sometimes the background noise is too distracting. We're into April now, and I guess some people are still feeling winter. So, yeah. Some people are feeling the spring. Yeah. This is California, so I don't know. I think we've been very lucky to get as much rain as we have. Passing by that oil factory place. Ooh. I guess oil comes from something. Oil can come from the fats from animals, or the oils of nuts or plants, I guess. Sorry. Probably also manufactured, like, well, even oil that comes for our use for our cars comes from the earth, comes from dinosaur fossils, they say. If I tilt this up like that, you could see the clouds. It's nice than just looking at the drive ahead. But whatever kind of oil this is, it has a very, I don't know, maybe it's in the stages of being whatever they do to oil. If you know, I don't study about oil. I don't study about all that stuff, but it smells, in my opinion, it just smells bad. Is that really bad? Like, like it's gonna make me sick or something. Just, ugh. It's unpleasant. I hear things tussling around in the bushes, like maybe a bird or a possum or a cat or something. Kind of heavy sounding. It's gonna be a plane crossing right now. I won't be able to see if I got it, but I'm sure I did. Teeny, teeny, teeny. You could probably hear it more than you could see it. I always like when a plane disappears into the clouds. I don't know if I could. Kind of is. In and out. Very faint ones. Or the very edges of some of these here. Because doesn't it look like it's just about to pour or something? I mean, other than the blue sky right over there. I would hate to go down that ditch trying to film some of this stuff and not watch where I'm going. I guess that's why sometimes I hold it like this, so I can kind of see I'm going straight. There's people working around in there too. I don't want to film them. I really am pro privacy when it comes to my videos. Not so much mine, because I think you need to know what the whose face is behind this camera. It's me, but the other people out there, not so much. They have privacy. I'm not gonna go, oh wow, you got caught in my view. I try not to. If I see somebody head on, I might go like this, or I might go down like this, so you get a good view of me pedaling my bike. The only time is when I really can't help it.
You ride bicycle 1.12 miles. It took you 10.0 minutes. Your speed is 6.4 miles per hour. Your pace is 9.8 minutes per mile and burned 49.7 calories.
See that sun right over there? Get ready to go. I don't mean to shoot anybody on this weight here. Sorry you didn't see I'll hold it up, you can see the clouds instead of the ground, because I know that's kind of hard to watch. I watch my films mostly to see how I can improve. Sometimes I make the same mistake because I don't really know how to fix it. Okay, I was out watching the sky. That is what you're watching, I hope. Well, what I was going to say is the sun peeking through those spaces right there. Oh, it was like I was just standing in an oven doorway there. It was warm, so if these clouds weren't here, it would be hot. It would be unbearable. But I had an appointment earlier today, and then when I came home, I was hungry, so I ate. And I've also been having some headaches earlier this morning, but I think they were tension, stress type things. Because once I got to my appointment and talking to the person that I talked to, it was just remembering the things that I was talking about kind of brought them to surface. And I don't know if any of you have ever gotten burned. I've gotten sunburned, and that's, I would say, 1st degree. You could get worse than that if you stayed out in the sun for a long time. You could get 2nd, possibly 3rd. But I recently saw a friend of mine sent me some pictures of his hand. Got burnt, I think, in boiling water. He was cooking something. He didn't go into all the details, but he showed me a picture. And it looked real bad, and the doctor said that he had 3rd degree burns on his hand. And his hand was kind of swollen, puffy-ish, and some skin missing from it. The reason why I'm telling you this is because imagine you have some kind of pain, emotional pain, that you cannot see on the outside, but it's on your insides. And it hurts. And when you have a burn, you go to the doctor. He or she peels off some of that bad skin. Then sometimes they put some other kind of skin on. Sometimes it will be of some kind of animal, let me just say that. And then that helps it to try to heal. The next time you go back, they still gotta clean, and then put medicine on it, clean it out, and rebandage it. And that's kind of what I'm going through emotionally. And you don't see it because there's no bandage, and you don't know how painful it can be for someone going through emotional situations in their past, trying to heal from it, and have people pick at it along the way when it's not even time for it to be cleaned. You just got people who sniff around and they know. You're trying to heal. I'm not gonna let you heal, because you gotta be sick and you gotta be disturbed and you gotta be mental like all the rest of us out here. No, I'm healing. I'm moving forward, and I'm gonna meet with the challenges head on, whatever they are. And sometimes I'm not gonna deal with them right the way you or